A spousal shootout tonight at 6. One husband and wife are recovering after police say they shot each other. 16 WAPT's Ross Adams live in our newsroom with this one for us. Ross.
That's right. Police say the shooting happened after the man came home to his West Jackson home and got into an argument with his wife.
A shootout between spouses.
I just heard shots being fired while I was in my house, and I immediately started praying and was praying that no one got shot at all.
Police say bullets started flying inside this house on Revels Avenue when a man came home and confronted his wife Thursday. Their 2 children were both inside at the same time.
The husband came home and some type of altercation occurred. The husband shot the wife in the leg.
Investigators say the man's wife pulled out her own weapon and returned fire, striking her husband.
Witnesses say when the wife shot back, she hit her husband once in the shoulder and once in the leg. Paramedics had to cut off his pants to treat his wounds. Corey Sims says he's known the couple for years.
You seen them getting into it before?
No, I haven't. It's just sad that we have to deal with stuff like this.
Now, the woman claims she was defending herself when she opened fire on her husband. No charges yet. Police say the evidence in this case will be presented to a Hinds County grand jury. Live in the newsroom, Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.
Ross, thank you.